In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Todoist. If you've ever wished your tasks and your schedule could stay in sync automatically, this quick setup will do exactly that. We'll start inside Todoist, then turn on the built-in Google Calendar connection, and you'll be on your way in just a couple of minutes. First, open Todoist in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed into the account you use every day. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture or initials to open your account menu. Choose Settings. This is where Todoist keeps all the integration options. Inside Settings, find the Calendars tab. This tab is dedicated to calendar connections. Click Connect Google Calendar. A window from Google will appear asking you to sign in. Select the Google account you want to link, or enter your credentials if you're not already signed in. Google will show a permissions screen explaining what access Todoist needs so your task can appear on your calendar. Review it, then click Allow to continue. That's it. The connection is established. Todoist will confirm the link, and you can close the settings. From this point forward, tasks in Todoist with due dates will start appearing on your Google Calendar. Give it a moment if you don't see changes right away. Initial syncing can take a short while and then continues automatically in the background. A couple of quick tips to make this smooth. If the Google sign-in window didn't show up, your browser may be blocking pop-ups. Allow pop-ups for Todoist, then try Connect again. If you have multiple Google accounts, double-check you picked the one you actually use for your calendar. Also, make sure your time zone is set correctly in both Todoist and Google Calendar, so due dates line up as expected. Once connected, you can manage or disconnect the integration anytime by returning to Settings, then Calendars in Todoist. And remember, only tasks with date information are placed on a calendar. Undated tasks remain in Todoist so your calendar doesn't get cluttered. You've now connected Google Calendar to Todoist using the built-in integration. With this in place, you'll spend less time duplicating information and more time focusing on the work that matters. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined schedule. If something looks off right after connecting, just give it another minute and refresh your view. The sync will catch up. See you in the next walkthrough.